start again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, it is a wig wash and reset day. Let's turn this to this. Now first of all, we have to wash this wig. You guys, this wig is so dirty, but I promise you most of everything that is coming out of it, it's just product. I'm not that dirty. It's been a couple of weeks since I've washed it, and today's the day that I decided I'm gonna wash it. Most of the time, I do prefer to wash my wigs with a little bit of washing powder. A lot of people are saying it's gonna dry out your wig. It is fine, but look at how much product I can get out of this wig by using a washing powder. Later on, I will be using the Soft and Free shampoo to soften up the hair again, and it will look absolutely amazing. Trust the process. Now, I know the water looks dirty, but that is coming out is actually just product, you guys.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go about 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say you miss before they mention my name. Y'all, I was gonna vote like these. Y'all didn't think that I could vote like these. That I told y'all I was gonna vote like these. Turn around and I make it jump like these. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it jump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? Like 664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him partner, don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me please, all your personal info. I ain't thinking about love, I just wanna get it up, pop a bottle, talk a lot of bullish, and let's go. Y'all, I was gonna vote like these. Y'all didn't think that I could vote like these. That I told y'all I was gonna vote like these. Turn around and I make it jump like these. Wanna keep that body, make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it jump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? Tonight ain't feeling no. To my girls that's looking their best, won't you go and show it off for us? Don't throw your hands up. And if he's all in your head, just forget all the things that he said. Credit is yours, do whatever you want to. Yo, hear these words on my mouth now. Tell you how it's going down. Kelly, EVE, we coming through and got them bowing down. Ladies, can you feel it? This an anthem you can bounce around. Yeah, you just accept to take your breath, bring it back now. Dudes get excited, seeing what they like, hoping they the one you choose, hope they get invited.
Now, when the water is as clear as this, when you're rinsing out your wig, it means your wig is clean. And it's time to hang it up. Hello guys, I washed this wig. This is how it looks like. This is the wig that I wear to work, you guys. It looks insane, but we're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right and we're gonna fix it. Over here, I'm using the Soft and Free Oil Moisturizer. This is actually a product for natural hair, but I'm using it on my wigs because I just feel like it works best than to buy those oils that are made for the wigs. I just feel like products made for hair just actually make the synthetic wig just look better than the actual oil. Then because with the oil, normally what it does is make the wigs like have this like stringy kind of texture. I don't understand why it happens, but I just prefer to use moisturizer that were made for natural hair.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Just rain down on me.
Now that I'm done combing out the hair, it is time to flat iron it. And I do prefer to actually just do the bare minimum when it comes to flat ironing my wigs, especially if it is a straight wig, because I still want to have a little bit of volume in my wigs. And I am done, you guys, with straightening. This is how the hair looks like. It's unbelievable. It looks like it's a different wig, a new wig. I am so obsessed, and here I thought that I'm gonna throw away this wig because it's somehow, and here it is. She surprises me every single time. I just need to cut the ends properly again, and yeah, you guys.